how to enable sensitive content on Instagram. The first things first is access your Instagram. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, go to your profile and then just simply go to the three lines right here by going to the settings menu. And from here, just scroll down a little bit till you find suggested content. Here it is. Now once you're here, just head over to sensitive content, and then if you would like to take control with the sensitive content on Instagram, you'll have to set it up as a standard. But if you would like to see more sensitive content control on Instagram and then enable it, just go to more and just click on confirm. So that's it. That's how easy you can enable sensitive content on Instagram.